mission. Destroy Prime Herald. Mitigate all damage so we can bring peace.
Affirmative, Soundwave. I will alert my crew. Crew, we must be ready. This is Prime Herald. He's on the loose, and we're the only thing that can stop him. We have to go. And so, for that reason, we will set course for Earth.
Dead? How could this be? Optimus Prime is dead. How is this scientifically possible? It can only mean one thing. It's Unicron. This is bad for everyone. We must eliminate Unicron. If we hope to survive, whoever it is, I'll be sure to crush them for sure. Old school military tactics. Siege fire. How can you expect to move against the Herald of Unicron when he is powered by dark energon? He is undead. We must recalibrate. I have laid Unicron's Herald up on our screen. He is our top priority at the moment. Might I suggest taking his drones and using them against him? Let's try.
This is a peacekeeping mission. We must preserve peace. If Prime Herald survives, there's nothing more we can preserve if everything is destroyed. This is our one moment, our one chance. Let's do this. Set course for Earth. At last, we have finally arrived. Time to surprise the Prime Herald.